Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel at nandito pa rin tayo sa Branson, Missouri at samahan niyo ulit kami maglaro ng aming paboritong laro ni Habi na miniature golf. Huh? Which one? I let you decide challenging.
Yeah.
We only gonna play one. We might do the challenging. Is this the first one? How we know which one is the first?
Right there.
Oh yeah, okay. You go first. Go, Alan. The red one's shorter. Alan's first hole. Oh, I almost made it. Ah.
You almost made it in a hole.
I know, it's not that hard. It went in! Oh! You hit it too hard. Huh? No, it went out. It just bumped in the hole. You hit it too hard. Naanami sa number 4, Raptor number 4. Wala pa kami naka-hole in one. Number 5, Raptor number 5. And look, there's a volcano. The hole over there. I don't know. Don't get mad. Oh, I got it on camera. All in one.
He didn't wait for me to get the camera aimed.
11? 11? 11?
Not quite.
Becky, I'll give you a stick. Where did it go? What side of the hole is it going?
It went right there.
This side?
Yeah. Oh. Naglobat yung camera namin, so hindi ko na na-record yung paglaro namin ng miniature golf dun sa Branson, Missouri. So nagpunta kami sa dalawa pang miniature golf doon at it called Professor Hacker Dinosaur Canyon Golf and then Professor Hacker Lustericia Golf. At ito yung result ng game namin. Dun sa Dinosaur Canyon Golf, I scored 68 and Hubby got 53, so he won. And meron din siyang naka-1, si Hubby doon, dalawang, anong tawag dito? Hole in one. So, it's hole number 6, at saka sa hole number 12, naka-hole in one siya. Doon naman sa Professor Hacker Lustericia Golf, nanalo ako. So, I scored 45 and Hubby scored 47. Yun ang total score namin dyan sa last column. And I had a hole in one in hole number 16. Sa tatlong miniature group na nilaruan namin doon, nanalo si Hubby ng 2 beses and I won once. So, yan. I never beat him. He always won, like, every time we played 3 games, even in one miniature golf, he always win twice, and I kind of like, I rarely won. So that's our vlog for today, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.